Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be talking about the battery life of the OnePlus Nord device after using for close to 1.5 day. So during this time, I did turn on the 4G data. I think most of the time, close to 80% of the time. So only time when I did turn off is during the night time only, and I did use the Wi-Fi as well. Or I think close to 1 or 2 hours. But most of the time, I did connect only to the 4G data network using the single SIM card, and this with the 90 Hz display turned on continuously. So 90 Hz display refresh rate is on during this time, so I did not select any 60 Hz. So 90 Hz display, and right now the battery percentage is of 9%, as you can clearly see. And with this kind of usage, I got battery screen on time close to 6 hours. So during this time of using, I did not play any games, so no gaming is done, but I did a few benchmark testings and so many other comparison videos of the OnePlus Nord with other smartphones during this time. So if you are interested, try to check the links in description for the playlist of OnePlus Nord. You can find very good interesting videos as well. So let me try to go more details about this battery statistics. So this is overall my usage graph. As you can see, 1 day and 17 hours, and the first position for the OnePlus launcher and second position goes to YouTube application. And later on in the list you can see plenty of other applications what I've used during this time. So this is a quick battery life test on the OnePlus Nord device. So considering the 4100 mAh of battery and 6 hours of screen on time with a 90 Hz refresh rate, I think it's a kind of okay, but this is just an initial days of using this phone. So this is my third day of using the OnePlus Nord. So let's see will the battery keep on holding like this for a very long time using or not. So this is with again with a single SIM card, so not with a dual SIM card, so only with the single SIM card and with 90 Hz refresh rate turned on. So maybe if the 60 Hz is using, the battery might be different. So definitely I'll try those methods as well. And meanwhile, if you have any doubt regarding the OnePlus Nord, do comment below. And also if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using right now on the OnePlus Nord, so you can check the links in description even for the live wallpaper as well. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.